My name is Caroline Gabriel, Research Director of Maravedis Rethink, the leading analyst and research firm specialising in mobile and wireless infrastructure. The Maravedis Rethink RAN service provides 5-year forecasts and deep trends analysis covering wireless infrastructure deployment plans by the top 40 mobile operator groups. Over 15 years of analysing this market, until recently unlicensed spectrum technologies played little role. However, in the most recent years, our service has expanded to include carrier Wi-Fi, as this becomes increasingly significant in many MNOs' deployment and business plans. Initially, mobile operators overcame their natural hostility to an unmanaged, unlicensed technology when they realised they could use it to offload data from their hard-pressed 3G and LTE systems, improving overall customer experience and reducing the need to invest in further cellular capacity at the same galloping rate as the rise in consumer demand for data. But now, Wi-Fi has become a far more strategic tool, which can be fully integrated into mobile operators' core networks, analytics systems, and even the base stations themselves. That is an important step towards the fully heterogeneous network, in which many spectrum bands, cell sizes and technologies combine to create a pool of capacity. In our most recent report from Maravedis Rethink, entitled Towards the Hyperdense Network, and published in June 2014, we surveyed about 160 operating companies about their 5-year network deployment plans. One area of study was the ways in which carriers intended to expand and densify their networks once they had deployed an initial coverage layer of 4G. Carrier Wi-Fi emerged as an important first-step approach, allowing them to add capacity in a targeted, low-cost and relatively ad hoc way. This will increasingly give way to deploying a small cell layer including LTE and Wi-Fi. Most operators will be using a combination of approaches, but with a particular focus on one area of the network where they can differentiate most effectively. So some will continue to enhance the macro network for years to come, while others will rely heavily on offloading data to the small cells, whether Wi-Fi or LTE. The most important enablers of the integrated cellular Wi-Fi strategies will be new standards, such as Passpoint and next-generation hotspot, which allow for seamless roaming and authentication between the technologies. However, carrier-class Wi-Fi, especially when it supports inter-cell handoff and voice, can also be a weapon in the hands of the mobile operators' competitors. Cable companies are deploying large numbers of hotspots and may reduce their reliance on their mobile MVNO deals, while some providers are using Wi-Fi first propositions to squeeze the cellular connection into a corner. This is an important set of dynamics which Maravedis Rethink will monitor closely in the years to come. To know more about our services, or to discuss this key issue in more detail, please contact Adelaine Feller, our Customer Engagement Director.